Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, August 1st, and this is my analysis for the US dollar again, and we are on the 4-hour time frame to start with. Because on the 4-hour time frame, I've been saying for weeks now that this whole sideways overlapping price action is a correction to this last move down. Now, if it breaks this high right here, that's going to invalidate that. That's going to tell me that we likely have a trend reversal all the way up on the weekly time frame. We've been looking for logs this whole time, so it shouldn't really matter whether it's a correction or a trend reversal. And honestly, I would still be looking for logs because we definitely do not have a break of structure. My most recent structure is way down here, which means that this move down probably is going to make another higher low and probably at least another wave up. Now, if it makes a wave up and then bounces from one of these Fibonacci levels, then goes down, then breaks structure, that's what will tell me that the wave Y is over and that it's going all the way back down. If it doesn't do that, but instead it just keeps making high, low, high, low, high, low while we're looking for longs, then that probably is going to invalidate the idea of this being a wave Y, and this is probably just going to keep on going up on the weekly time frame. Going all the way down to the 1 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement from here to here. Anything I see to the downside, I would definitely assume is nothing more than a pullback to the last 5 waves up. Unless it goes all the way down here and breaks this low, the trend is definitely still up. So I kind of doubt that it's going to break that low, to be honest with you. It's probably more likely going to make at least one more wave up, make at least one more high. Then if it reverses and breaks that structure, then that's an end of a trend. If it doesn't reverse and if it doesn't break that structure, then just continue to look for longs and enjoy the trend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.